Good day and welcome again. Thank you for joining us on today's Take a Tour. We're in the hills of Loulé, just a couple of minutes up the road from the town centre of Loulé. It's very conveniently located, wouldn't you agree? It's just a couple of minutes up the hill. Beautiful views, you've got country views and you've got a spectacular sea view. Lovely big plot and the house is super modern.
So Cindy said it's a modern house, it's a brand new build and it's got some awesome features. So let's go and take a look.
So fantastic large doors, they are tinted with mosquito nets, double glazed, very, very good quality. That's something that you will notice that we really appreciate about this house, isn't it, Megan, is the top spec. So inside we have this beautiful open plan kitchen, dining, living, social area. It's just fantastic. You know I love kitchens, so I'm just going to jump right in there. So in this kitchen, you have amazing work surfaces wrapped around the whole area, which is great. You have a lot of storage cupboards, your microwave, your oven. The appliances are all BOSCH. You have your extractor as well. The feature I love about this kitchen is these windows. If you have a squiz, you actually open them and they open right out. Look at that. That's beautiful. So you can serve your food through there. This will be a barbecue area out front as well. It's pre-installed for barbecue. So a really awesome, fully functional kitchen.
So off the kitchen you have the dining area. And then through the dining area here you'll find yourself in your living room. The living room has a really nice feature of this double-sided fireplace, which is gas. So you have these TV connections on either side of the living room so you can choose whatever suits you best. And this will be a really nice spot to put it because you can inset it into the wall. So this is one of two entrances and this would be your main one. Now Cindy will show us through the bedroom, which is located right here.
So this bedroom, it isn't ensuite because this shower room actually doubles up as your guest cloakroom, but it has a walk-in shower as well. Proper wooden floors, it's a beautiful, beautiful flooring, and it has a little terrace off the bedroom as well, a little private terrace. So down through the passageway, you have to the right a beautiful utility room, okay, with a sink, and it's actually a follow through from the kitchen, which is fantastic. Also has a door to the outside, so if you have people coming and going, they can use this door as well. Another feature that I really enjoy is all the storage that you have throughout the house. In the passage and all the bedrooms, there's not a shortage of cupboard space, so we all need that, don't we? So we're in the master bedroom now, and as you can see, you have a lot of storage as well. You have a little nook here. You could do a dressing table if you fancy, or a little mini office. And the bathroom, the same theme runs throughout. Very neutral, beautiful, clean, white, large showers, and a gorgeous bathtub. Doubles vanity too. The wooden flooring is just spectacular. What a great feature. Lovely patio doors that open out onto the terrace with a gorgeous sea view. So we're in the basement, and as you can see, it's a great space. So again, this could be another overflow bedroom as well, but it has an ensuite shower room too, which is very conveniently situated. Then we have the double garage as well, integral garage, so you come out through the garage, upstairs into the house with your shopping when if you're carrying heavy parcels or if it's raining, always handy to have. So we're up on the roof terrace now, and what a great view, I have to say. 360-degree view, fantastic. Up here you have got installation of water, you've got electricity. It can be a fantastic area, and it's got lovely glass so it can feel quite secure if you have young'uns as well. You'll see that there's an entrance here. You can park your car on this side, the entrance gate off the road, and this will be parking spaces over the road for 2 or 3 cars. It also belongs to this property.
Also, the owner has said that he's going to put artificial grass on the roof, so that'll make it a really nice, comfortable place.
Yeah, it'll add a spot of green, won't it? It'll be lovely. So as you can see, the features of this house are excellent. The construction is great. You've got underfloor heating, you've got air conditioning throughout, you've got double glazing. It's a very energy efficient home. Running costs are quite low. You've got solar panels. Everything has been done to really be sustainable. The energy rating certificate is an A, so that'll be good to know. So last but not least, we're ending at the pool. It's a gorgeous overflow pool. It's heated, and you have so much space around it for sunbeds, umbrellas, table and chairs, and you can enjoy the beautiful landscape garden recently installed by Jardin Vista, so you know it's excellent quality. It's just so beautiful. The hedging's just gone in, as you can see. It's quite young, but this will grow up to be quite a thick bushy hedge, which will add more privacy as well. So thank you again for joining us today, and we look forward to showing you this beautiful house.